Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an omelet perfectly. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and any fillings you desire, like cheese, herbs, or finely diced vegetables. Crack the eggs into a small bowl and whisk them gently with a fork, just enough to break the yolks and whites together, but don't over-whisk or incorporate too much air. Have your fillings prepped and ready to go. Now let's get cooking. Place a 6-inch to 8-inch non-stick pan over medium-low heat. This low temperature is crucial for a tender omelet. Add about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter to the pan. Let it melt and foam, swirling it around to coat the entire surface. Once the butter is foamy and fragrant, pour your whisked eggs into the pan, ensuring they spread evenly across the bottom. As the eggs cook, let the edges set for about 30 seconds. Then, using a heat-resistant rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. Tilt the pan to allow the uncooked egg to flow underneath the cooked portions. Repeat this process a few times until most of the egg is set but still slightly moist on top. Now, quickly add your prepared fillings to 1/2 of the omelet. With your fillings in place, it's time to fold. Once the eggs are mostly set but still slightly creamy, gently fold 1/2 of the omelet over the fillings. Cook for another 10 to 20 seconds, just long enough for any cheese to melt and the omelet to warm through. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked, tender omelet onto a warm plate. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs, like chives or parsley, and serve immediately to enjoy its deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.